This is gonna blow your mind. We're turning an abandoned Rolls Royce into a $1 million masterpiece. Ready to see some magic? Picture this, a dusty, forgotten Rolls Royce, looking more like a relic than a ride. But wait, there's a twist. We're giving it a jaw-dropping makeover. First up, we rip out the old interior. Goodbye faded leather. Then, it's all about that engine. With a little elbow grease and a lot of love, we bring the beast back to life. Now for the bling. Custom paint, new wheels, and luxury finishing touches. And voila, an abandoned dream car transformed into a $1 million marvel. Stick around for the final reveal. You won't believe your eyes.